Updating your legal name on Outlook is a straightforward process that ensures your email reflects your current identity. Follow these steps to make the change quickly. Step 1. Sign in. Log into your Outlook account using your current credentials. Make sure you're accessing the correct account where you want to update your name. Step 2. Access account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to your profile. In the settings menu, find the mail section and click on it. Then, look for sync email or your account to access your profile information. Step 4. Edit your name. Within your profile settings, find the option to edit your name. Enter your new legal name in the appropriate fields, ensuring that it is spelled correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new name, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your updates. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name should be updated in Outlook. It may take a little time for the changes to reflect across all services, so be patient.